Today lecture we see mobile phone unit, its block diagram and function of each block. So in this topic we see internal detail of mobile unit. So this is a general block diagram of cellular mobile unit. In that mobile unit consists of 5 different blocks: control unit, logic unit, transmitter and receiver, and 5 frequency synthesizer. So first block, that is transmitter. So what is the function of transmitter? The main feature, it is a low power frequency modulation unit which is operating in the frequency range of 825 to 845 megahertz. 666 transmitting channels which are spaced 30 kilohertz apart. The carrier is furnished by a frequency synthesizer, is a phase modulated by voice signal. Transmitter use a unit called duplexer which isolate a transmitting output from receiver input. Here duplexer is also called as an isolator because it isolate a signal from receiver or signal isolate from transmitter at the receiver block. If signal is to be a transmit, then duplexer will connect to the transmitter output to the antenna and isolate it from the receiver input. Other hand, when signal is received, duplexer route it to be a receive the input and isolate it from the transmitter output. So this is all about the transmitter. Then receiver block. Receiver is a dual conversion super heterodyne type receiver. Its frequency range is 870 to 890 megahertz. Again, which is same as there are receiving channel is 660, which is spaced by 30 kilohertz. But transmitting and receiving frequency are not same. Instead, there is a difference of 45 megahertz between them in order to minimize the interference between the transmitter and receiver signal. There are total 666 receiving channels in this range. The adjacent channel frequency are also same 30 kilohertz with respect to each other. The important feature about the transmit is that output power is controlled by cell site or MTSO. MTSO is a mobile telephone switching office. So typically this output power is different from different for at the mount on vehicle or handheld. This feature can be seen in the last session of this slide. Okay, so next block is a frequency synthesizer. So this block generate all the signal used by the transmitter and receiver. The transmitter shoulders responsibility of transmitting the voice signal while receiver receive the signal and down it and demodulate to produce the voice signal. So that is the function of the frequency synthesizer. It uses a standard PLLA circuit and mixer. The long form of PLLA is a phase locked loop. Okay, the next important block, that is logic unit and control unit. So control unit and logic unit together operate on a control signal received from the MTSO section. So logic unit produce a required control signal to coordinate the operation of transmitter, receiver and frequency synthesizer. So control unit contain the handset with a speaker and microphone. The control unit is operated by separate microprocessor that drives the LCD display and other indicator. While logic unit contains a microprocessor with the RAM, ROM and additional circuit used for interpreting the signal from the MS, that is master switching center and base station, and generate a control signal for transmitter, receiver and frequency synthesizer. Okay, this is very important block, control unit and logic units, which control the and coordinate the above three blocks. And next, the future of mobile phone unit. The first feature, if mobile unit is mounted on a vehicle, typical output power is 3 watt. If mobile phone unit is held handheld, the output power is 500 milliwatt. It has third feature, it has 660 transmit channel which are spaced by 30 kHz. You already see. And last feature of mobile phone unit, transmit is a low power frequency modulation unit operating on a frequency range of 825 to 845 megahertz. So this is the highlighted points, that is frequency range of transmitting channel is a low power signal, and each slot is 20 megahertz wide of receiver signal, and full duplex operation is possible by separating the transmitting and receiving signal into the a separate frequency band. So within these two band, 660 separate channels, 333 channel per band have been assigned for voice and control. Each channel occupies a bandwidth of 30 kilohertz. So this is the future about the mobile phone unit. In the next video, we see detail about the transmitter block, receiver block, frequency synthesizer block, logic unit and control unit. Detail about its block diagram and its function and its future. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and like and comment on same video